Hello everyone. Hello everyone and welcome to my video presentation. So my game is a pretty interesting game. I actually designed it from scratch using the some of the templates that were found on the Make Game fraud.com website. And this game is basically a maze game to navigate obstacles to get to some golden nuggets. And it's a game that player, for example, in the first grade could play um, because they'll simply have to use their cursors on the keyboard, the four cursors. And so in playing the game, if I can actually move um, Maia, move her position with the cursor. So that's an interesting thing. I'm actually navigating with the cursor right now, and you will see where she actually moves in different direction to exit the part of the maze that she is in. I think my computer is a bit slow because I have the game itself running and I also have the recording software. Um, yeah, but nonetheless, um, you know, you basically use your cursor to navigate the maze, and that's basically it. And well, it's moving a little bit faster now. And you can actually reposition her to go, the direction to avoid the different obstacles in the path, whether it's the trees or whether it's the bench or a puddle of water, basically, you know. So, um, that's my game. And it was a fairly somewhat, I don't want to say easy to design, but it was not an onerous task because of the templates. I still had to figure out like where I wanted to put each obstacle. I still had to figure out um, the level of difficulty that I wanted to make it, um, and stuff like that. So thank you for watching my video presentation. I'm actually going to try to download the game itself. It will be in a zip file. I tried downloading it on my computer. The thing is, I really don't know how to give directions in terms of uploading it to your computer. So that's something that I think you'll just have to play around with until it's installed, because I didn't really have to download the game to play it, because all I needed to do was to sign into the game account that I used to design the game, and that would allow me to play the game. Oh wow, it's moving a little bit faster. I think the memory on my computer is not sufficient. So there you go. I'm stuck in the maze. I have to find a way to turn around so that I can navigate. So it's pretty interesting. It takes a lot of concentration, a lot of focus to play the game. And as you can see, one of the obstacles on the other side is a dog walking the trail, and then you can see the golden nuggets like right around here, and there are some more in different parts of the screen that you're not able to see at this time until I actually move my ear to the other side of the maze. So that's basically my game. Thank you for watching my video presentation. Take care for now.